So Ivan looks very happy and Ivan is going to hang out with Brenda, and Ivan has already hang out with Michelle, which was a very bad idea of Ivan. And then after a while Brenda also comes to Ivan, and Brenda looks very happy and Ivan is also very happy with Brenda visit. And Ivan and Brenda start hanging out, and Ivan is also feeling hungry, and Ivan thinks to order some pizza, and Brenda wants some dessert to eat during pregnancy. And Brenda asks Ivan about Michelle, and Ivan says that Michelle was asked but Michelle is not going to join. And Ivan also has a board game, and Ivan and Brenda are going to play a board game during the hangout. Then Ivan and Brenda sit down, and it is seen that Michelle is looking inside from the window. And then Michelle also comes in, and Michelle does not know that Ivan and Brenda were hanging out. And Ivan and Brenda are also surprised to see Michelle. And Brenda has heard from Ivan that Michelle was sick, that is why Michelle could not join. And while Michelle is standing in front of Brenda in good health, and Brenda is looking at Ivan in worry, and Ivan also did not think that Michelle would come without telling. And Brenda is feeling bad, and Michelle has come to find Marcus. But Michelle also feels bad that Ivan did not invite her for the hangout, and Brenda looks very worried on her face. And then Ivan is also inviting Michelle to join the hangout, but Michelle starts to feel that maybe Ivan and Brenda are getting disturbed because of Michelle's presence, but Ivan wants Michelle to join too. And Michelle feels that maybe I have been kicked out, and Brenda feels that maybe Michelle and Ivan are having a misunderstanding with each other, and Brenda does not want anyone to be kicked out of this family, and Brenda wants anyone to stay together, and Brenda does not want any arguments between Ivan and Michelle. And Brenda also thought that maybe Michelle is sick, and Michelle does not want to intercept Brenda and Ivan's hangout, and Ivan does not understand what to do, and Brenda and Ivan seem very worried. Then Ivan says that Brenda is trying to explain Michelle very lovingly, and Brenda wants Michelle to remove the misunderstanding, and Brenda is trying to explain Michelle like a mother. But Ivan and Michelle start laughing at Brenda, and then Brenda realizes that she was being pranked.